guys, as you can see, I have another package again. Yeah, but I have a few packages that are supposed to come like this week or next week. So this is one of them, and yeah, I think it's my Nature Republic cards. My Nature Republic cards. So I'm just gonna unbox, like take the plastic thingy off. I didn't bring my scissors with me, so hopefully I'm not damaging anything. Wait, no. What happened last time when I tried to open a package? Yeah, my cards. So, okay. So I accidentally cut this off, but that's not needed anyways. Okay. It's my Nature Republic card, I think. Okay. Let me just check. Don't mind if I like tear this. Okay, hold on a second. Oh my gosh! Okay, guys. Ooh, the cards are here. Okay, I'm not sure what version this is, but I hope it's like first pressed cards. But I'm doubting it's first press, but I don't really care. Let me just open this. Yes, so pretty. So pretty. Oh my god. Wait, hold on a second. So I got this at a very affordable price. So here I got Xiumin. I bought Xiumin's Nature Republic version 1 card in the back. Oh, so pretty. I'm not sure what press these are, but anyways, let's just enjoy the awesome. And then I got Kris. Some blurb. Sorry guys. Kris. Anything tea. I might be selling these 2 cards, but I'm not sure. And Suho, I can't think it's Suho. I actually got this because of Suho, but it was a set and it was very cheap, so I got it. So pretty. And yeah, these are the cards that I got, I think. Yeah. And oops, hair. And I think that's basically it. I will do a comparison right now, so just hang in there. Well, I'm not sure if you guys know, but I have a Suho first pressed Nature Republic card. Yeah, this is a card. It's first pressed. I got this from the hand cream set, and I'm just gonna compare just to see if there's like any difference or anything. So these are the Nature Republic cards I got. Even though it's not first press, I will still keep it. So first press, I like pointier. Let me just show you. So Suho's card is at the back. You can see that it is slightly pointier. Suho's, yeah, it's slightly pointier. But yeah, it's slightly pointier, and the back is very obvious. Yeah, this is a first press card, and this card, there's 3 cards. As you can see, well, I'm not sure because they all have very different colored backings, but this is the first press card, and yeah. But Xiumin one looks kind of weird. I hope you guys like this video, and bye!